Welcome to lab number 6, Navigational Mesh and Mesh Modifiers. First, I'll hit play to demonstrate that all the H missile BP, 1B, C, and D blueprints move on their own designated platforms. Now I'll walk over to the third platform and step into the Nav Mesh modifier. Watch as all H missiles stop moving. To verify the respawn points, I'll open H missile BP, 1B, C, and D, select each missile in the map, and check the details panel. Here you can see both numbers displayed at the same time. For the end of Lab 6A, I'll open each H missile AI and confirm that they are listening to the correct AI blueprint. Let's move on to Lab 6B. I'll hit play and show that the H missile 2A and H missile 2B only move when the player selected is on the correct zone-specific platform. To verify the respawn points, I'll open H missile BP2A and 2B, select each missile on the map, and display the numbers in the detail panel. Now I'll show which AI blueprint each missile is listening to. Finally, I'll open H missile AI2A and 2B, display the XY min-max range by selecting the cylinder static meshes in the viewport. Both values will be visible simultaneously. Now let's move on to the minigame challenge. I'll hit play and move through the maze explaining each puzzle as I go. Puzzle 1. I need to push static meshes of different ways to progress. The last static mesh is not movable. I will use the explodable S-mine and clear the path. Puzzle 2. I'll push the static mesh from puzzle 1 into the lava pit. If the player falls in, it's instant death. Instead, I jump onto the static mesh to safely cross the lava. Puzzle 3. Time to jump over some exploding panels. These are a flattened version of the parent blueprint. Puzzle 4. Here I must avoid being hit by H missile BP3. I'll use Nav Mesh modifiers to stop its movement, and I'll shoot a projectile to destroy the missile. For the final section, I'll demonstrate the Navigational Invokers in action. First, I'll show that H missile BP4 only moves when the player character is in the navigational mesh. While in play mode, I'm pressing F8. Select my character in the viewpoint and make sure that you can see the green Nav Mesh Invoker surrounding H missile BP4. Next, I'll move in and out of the Nav Mesh, attempting to generate the Nav Mesh dynamically in front of the missile. I'll also verify that the H-missile BP4 respawns correctly and rotates to face the player character. Finally, I'll open the H-missile BP4 to show its respawn points and to display the AI blueprint it listens to. To wrap things up, I'll show H-missile AI4 and display its XY min max range for verification. This concludes lab number 6 on navigational messages and AI movement. Thanks for watching.